Hello everybody, my name's Cam from Atani. Today I want to show you how quickly you can build something custom and then scale it to a group of your client base. So I've got the Old Man Online Clothing data set here, and here is the pre-existing sales performance template. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this template, okay? And what I'm going to do, I know that this client is a zero client, I know they've got tracking categories, and I know they're interested in some variance analysis. I'm going to show you how we can build something custom really quick and then scale it to other clients. Okay, so let's bring in tracking first. So I'm just going to do a bit of housekeeping, delete that. So I'm going to bring in tracking categories as a filter. So copy paste is your best friend. Come down to your tracking categories table, find the option name and drag it in, place it with financial year. And now we have a slicer straight away. So we can, this is quite a common one, is that tracking categories get used for divisional statewide in Australia. We can just select them and change anything we want, okay? So next thing, I do want this cumulative sales analysis, but I also would like to see it. I'd also like to see all the tracking categories on the one graph. So I'm going to copy paste, and I'm going to drag that option name once again, but in this one as the legend. So as you can see, it's picking up Queensland. We want to show them all, so we're just going to turn the interaction off between this filter. And there you go. Now we've got all of the different states showing their performance across the financial year. So next up, I want to put a profit and loss here, okay? And I want to do a bit of variance analysis, the difference between the two, and I also want to show all of the expenditure as a percentage of total sales, because like things like wages, what is the percentage of total sales? It's something that you can track as a KPI. So what do we do? Let's go and grab an existing template that I've already got in place, and we can put it in here, okay? Okay, so this is a good template. It's just budget the actual pre-built. So we're going to bring that across, copy paste. Okay, now instead of the budget into that, I'm actually going to get rid of it because I want to do the percentage of total sales as a measure. Okay, so let's write that measure. I'll show you how easy it is to write this type of stuff. So we'll call the measure percentage of total sales, of course. So let's write it out. So that's your equation. So here's the equation. Percentage of total sales is your actual amount divided by sales and remove the filter. And we're going to drag our new measure into our profit and loss. So it just needs to be tidied up and then make it a percentage. You can now move the goalpost. So what have we got there? 11.3% for direct costs. We take off the first 2 quarters. You can slice this any way you want. And updates for the first half, it was actually 12% of total sales. And the flexibility here is endless. You want to compare to last month, 2 months ago, last year, last quarter. Anything you want to do, you can do. But now comes the fun bit, the scale bit, all right? So now we've designed this custom report, okay? And we want to deliver it not just to this one client, but perhaps across a list of clients, okay? You can come to the query editor, go to your data source settings, and here's all your clients. Here's all the data for all your different clients. So we're going to load a different client. So this is just another one that I've got. So this is the Xero demo company, okay? And I'm going to replace it. And look at this, it's just updated. So all this is the new data, 45 grand now. This is the Xero demo company coming out. All different tracking categories that they've got in there. So file, save as, and you've got the same report. Imagine the scalability of this with if you were using SimPro, which is another data source we've got. The way you can move from client to client is just unbelievable.